Hmm?
They're gonna stay?
Yep.
And you only have one pane of glass there, not like this one that has two.
Good point.
Leave your phone in there. No.
It's not doing anything yet.
No. Are we there yet?
No. How about now?
Unless it spontaneously combusts.
Is that what we're waiting for? Spontaneity?
Yep.
Got it.
Actually, I think Doug's looking for a lighter. You don't have a lighter? Or a bunch of them would work better for it.
Oh, but it doesn't matter.
Just don't hook it with the vacuum.
The knob labeled GAS turns on the gas. Dr. Miller said so.
GAS?
Yes.
See, the one that was leaking over here when I was in here is now not leaking.
Yeah, we made a
It
statement.
stays not
Hopefully.
leaking.
Yeah, we said something about it.
You would have smelled probably.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, let's have the lights.
You're right in front of my second camera.
Sorry. I didn't see
Right in front
that.
of me.
Now he's in front of me. Ooh.
One thing you don't want to do is look directly at this just in case it actually works.
Okay.
Turn that gas off. Did you already get it turned off?
It's okay.
Oh, it dropped.